Oh, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Miss Irizzo here, and today we're going to talk about the past perfect tense of verbs. This is page 32 in our grammar packet. And you're also going to want to have your chart easily accessible, okay? We're doing the perfect tense, which is this middle column, and we're doing the past perfect. So it's this middle of the tic-tac-toe board right there, okay? So when we look at our paper, the first thing we always want to do is what? Tell me. Exactly right. We want to read the paragraph that's there because it probably gives us the definition. So it says the past perfect tense describes an event in the past in relation to another event in the past. It shows that an action was completed before another action in the past or completed before a definite time. The past perfect tense uses had and the past participle form of the main verb. So let's go ahead and highlight our definition. The past perfect tense describes an event in the past in relation to the past. Okay? It could be an action that was completed before another action in the past or completed before a definite time. It uses had and the past participle. Okay? So if you look at the example, it says she had jogged for 20 minutes before she began to feel faint. Okay, so those two things happen definitely in the past, done. She felt faint in the past, she jogged in the past. She was jogging for a certain amount of time before her faintness occurred. Okay, the Smiths had been married for 10 years before their first child was born. Again, two definite things that happened in the past tells us an amount of time before something else happened. So basically, you want to remember that it's two events in relation to each other, both that happened in the past, okay? You use had, because that is the past of have, and the past participle. And we did past participle before. You can reference back if we have irregular verbs there too, okay? So we're gonna do 1 through 6 together, and you can do 7 through 12 on your own, okay? So let me grab my pen. We're looking at number 1. It says, during the summer vacation, Roger blank wilderness survival skills. Okay, so we know we're using learn. The past participle of learn is learned because it's regular, and we use had. So she had, or he, sorry, had learned wilderness skills. The children blank pizza after 3 hours of bowling. What is the past participle of eat? It's irregular. You know, today I eat, yesterday I ate, I had, or the children had eaten, right? Number 3, consider. I acted before I had considered. The consequences. It's a regular verb. Finish. Is finish regular? Of course it is. So Beth what? Had finished. Okay. Reading before the rest of us started. Number 5 says Patricia blank over 300 miles yesterday. Is it had drived? Is that what it is? No, of course it's not. She had driven. Number 6, Myra blank that aria several times in her career. What did she do? Did she singed? Did Myra had singed? Nope. She had sung. Not had sang. Today I sing, yesterday I sang, but the past participle is sung. Okay, so you're going to do 7 through 12 on your own. Number 7, the rehearsal blank more time than expected. Irregular. It's not taked, right? Had taken. Number 8, her ring blank from her finger when she washed her hands. Had slipped. Number 9, sorry, whoops. The wind blank all through the night. Had howled. Number 10, they blank a place for the honeymoon before they called off their wedding. Oh, that's an ugly sentence. Did they choose? No, they had chosen. Number 11, his candidacy for mayor blank good until the scandal was publicized. Had looked. And number 12, the benevolent king blank his loyal subjects for many years. Had loved. So, ladies and gentlemen, make sure you remember that for the past perfect tense, you will use had, because it's in the past, and the past participle to form the verb. Okay? A lot of us, when we speak, we use had all the time, and we are speaking incorrectly. So we want to try to get away from that, because when you say, I had done this and I had done that, you're speaking in that past perfect tense, which is probably not what you mean. So that's something that we also need to consider. Okay? So, this is Ms. Rizzo signing off. I hope you have a great day, and if you have any questions, make sure you're asking.